Hello and welcome to azurewala YouTube channel. We are in how to series. Today we will learn how to create Entra ID internal user. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. In this lab, we will learn how to create internal user, and we will be following the procedure to create a new user, and we will be discussing the basics tab and properties tab in user creation. Further, we will be using the Azure portal. So lab walkthrough is like this, that we will be creating a new user by going to Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and we must have user administrator privileges. So let's jump to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. We'll go to identity section. Under the identity, we'll go to users, and under the users, we'll hit the all users button. We'll add new user. We'll hit create new user. Now we are on basics tab. We do have properties tab, assignment tab, and review and create as well. Now let's go back to document and understand what these fields are. The basics tab contains the core fields required to create a new user. User principal name is a unique username. Mail nickname, if you need to enter the email name that is different from the user principal name you entered, uncheck the derive from user principal name option, then enter the mail nickname. By default, user principal name is used as mail nickname, but we can choose a different mail nickname as well. The third field is a display name, which is generally the first and last name of the user, and the password is by default auto generated password, but we can have a different password by unchecking the auto generate option. So we'll be creating a user named user1. We'll keep the default domain name. The mail nickname is derived from a principal name, so user1 is selected. If we uncheck this checkbox, then we can manually type the mail nickname, but we'll keep the same. The display name is the user1. Password is auto generated, but we can uncheck this one and we can manually put our password. Account enabled. Once the account is created, user can start using the account. So account is enabled. If we keep it disabled, user will not be able to log in using these credentials. We'll hit next. We'll go to properties. Under the properties, we have identity section, job information section, contact information section, and parental control section and settings. The property section can be updated later on as well, and a brief detail is provided here. So we can keep all this information empty. We'll go to assignment. We can add the user to particular group or assign any role to the user. We'll keep empty right now. Under the review, we can review the details we have filled up, and we'll hit create. The user is created successfully. We'll refresh, and we can see that user1 is added to all users. In assignments tab, we can assign the user to an administrative unit, group, or Microsoft Entra role. When the user is created, you can assign the user to up to 20 groups or roles. You can only assign the user to one administrative unit. Assignments can be added after the user is created. So we can assign the user to a group. These are the steps. We can add a group and assign it. and we can assign a role to new user, that's also possible, and we can add the administrative unit to the new user as well. If we click the user, we can assign the user any role from here. We can assign a administrative unit to the user, but we don't have any administrative unit here right now. And we can assign the user to any group. This concludes our lab. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.